Okay, so this is the Echo Show 8 with a HD screen, and obviously it just plugs in and you've got your Alexa and a fantastic screen. So let's go through it. Purchased this when it was on offer at half price, so that was around about £60. It went up afterwards, and then I've just been back on now and it's come back down, so just keep your eye on it, and if you can pick this up for £60 or less, it's an absolute bargain. Very easy to set up. We've already got a dot, so this was the next step, and primarily I got it because the picture frame, the electronic picture frame that I had, it was broken, so rather than getting a picture frame and something else, another dot or something for the kitchen, I decided just to get this all in one type thing. If we have a look at what it comprises of, so I've just unplugged it. We'll turn it round there. You've got an audio out, you've got a micro USB port, and obviously there's your power supply that goes in. A nice rubber base, which means it doesn't slide anywhere. You've got this charcoal material finish on it. You can also get it in a lighter colour, more of a white or a grey. But if we have a look at the top, this mutes it. These are your volume buttons. You've also got two mics, and this baby, if you're doing any videoing, any video calls or anything, there's your camera, and by bringing that over, it covers your camera up just in case you worry about people being able to view you without your permission. And then there you go, you can take it off. So that's a nice little touch. Right, so let's plug it in. So you get all this with it, obviously, and if we plug it in, you'll see it come to life. So because we already had an Echo Dot, Alexa was set up on the well, she's just heard me there. Alexa was set up on the home network.
I don't know that one.
So when we plugged this in, it was so easy to get it registered and set up. And now it's just in the kitchen. So what can we do with it? Okay, well, there's lots of things. Some of them are useful, some of them aren't. So some of the simple things that you can do, you can just ask her what the weather's going to be. So Alexa, what's the weather in Todmorden?
Currently, in Todmorden, England, it's 6 degrees Celsius with mostly sunny skies. Today, you can expect intermittent clouds, with a high of 7 degrees and a low of 3 degrees.
So that's giving us the forecast for today. You can ask it for next week, or you can do anything like that. Because this is in the kitchen, I can just say, Alexa, show me a recipe for Thai green curry.
Okay, for Thai green curry, here are a few recipes.
And then obviously because it's a touch screen, you can just go into whichever one you want and it'll take it through. And the more you get to know about Alexa, the more that these things actually become really useful and easy to navigate. Again, because we're in the kitchen, I can set a timer. So say I've just put something in the slow cooker and I wanted to cook it for 8 hours. That's a little too long for the time that I've got. So I can say, Alexa, remind me to turn the slow cooker off in 8 hours.
Okay, I'll remind you in 8 hours.
And we'll get an alarm going off there. So because it's touch screen, you can use it manually by swiping down. You've got your return to home there. You can change the brightness or dim it. You can put do not disturb on, go into settings. So you can connect things via Bluetooth. Obviously it's on the wireless network at the moment, but you can set up your what wallpaper you want, etc, etc. So as I was saying earlier on, I wanted to use this for, just bring that down. I wanted to use this as a picture frame. So all I need to say is, Alexa, show me my photos.
Here are some of your photos.
And it just cycles through a load of photos that I downloaded or uploaded to Amazon Photos. So you don't even need to put a memory stick in or anything like that. Absolutely fantastic. it's going to cycle through about 400, and it's only 400 because that's what I uploaded. So that's a big recommendation. Let's look at some other things. These Alexa devices really start to come into their own when you've got more than one. And the reason for that is you can communicate with other people around the house. So again, because I'm in the kitchen, so that I've just put everybody's food out, but they're scattered around the home, and I want to just let them all know. I can say, Alexa, make an announcement.
What's the announcement?
Okay, everybody, tea's ready.
Announcing.
Now you don't hear that here, but in about 3 bedrooms, that's just gone out that everybody's tea's ready. So again, if you've got more than one of these, I mean, the more the better in all honesty, but you can start to add additional tasks that you can do with them. As I say, if you've got more of them around the house, you can do more things, but you can use it where you've seen me doing the announcement around the house. You can communicate directly with another room. So if my son was in one of the rooms and I wanted an actual conversation with him, rather than announcing, I just said which device I wanted to speak to, and we could have a two-way conversation with it. Along with the ability to talk to people within the house on various Alexa devices, you can also contact people outside of the house and video call with them as well. I'm just going to show you, we've got a Sonos speaker set up in the house. So there's my Sonos 5 speaker. There's one of my Sonos ones. We've got those scattered around the house, and upstairs there's also a Sonos 3 in one of the bedrooms. Let's say that I want to play in the kitchen a song. You can set it up for Spotify and various other things, or your own collection. But in this instance, I'm just going to use Amazon's music. So, Alexa, play Fireball in the kitchen.
Fireball by Pitbull, featuring John Lennon, playing in the kitchen
Mr. Worldwide to infinity.
So you heard that start off, and I've just cancelled it. So you can also use it on any of the Sonos speakers. So Alexa, play Fireball in the dining room.
Fireball by Pitbull, featuring John Ryan, playing on dining room, starting now on Amazon Music.
You can so it's playing in the background. You can only just hear it because it's in another room, but you can stop it from here as well. So Alexa, stop. And that's it, it's off. So because it's a video device, you can watch anything you want basically, but we'll watch something from Amazon Prime now. So Alexa, play the Grand Tour Season 1 Episode 8.
Here's the Grand Tour Season 1 Episode 8.
Yeah, now it's back again, just for a moment.
So there we are. You can have that playing in the background while you're doing something in whichever room that you're in. You can stop it. So Alexa, stop. You can have it playing the radio. Alexa, play Radio 5.
Here's Radio 5 Live.
BBC Sounds.
Sort of try to remove the mystique about it.
Alexa,
what I love about
stop. You can do a search on the internet. So Alexa, who won the general election in Britain in 2019?
Here's your election update. The Conservatives have secured a majority of 365 seats, while the Labour Party have won 203. The SNP won 48 seats, the Liberal Democrats 11, and the Green Party 1.
This is one that I really like. Alexa, launch firework display.
You have fireworks display, audio and video, enabled. Do you want to open it?
Yes.
Look out.
And this just plays on and on forever. And when I was saying that the kids have great fun with Alexa, it's because they ask her to do things like this. Alexa, rap.
Give it up for science. It's not just my obsession, it's more than a reliance. We owe an awful lot to a little thing called science. Give it up for science.
Alexa,
Technology rocks tech.
beatbox. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What happens to a cat that hunts too much? They get placed under mouse arrest.
Oh dear.
Do.
Alexa,
do.
stop. There are lots and lots of skills that you can use it with. So you can use it for wireless devices, whether that be smart plugs, smart lights, anything like that. Or you can use it to listen to your audio books. So Alexa, show me my Audible books.
Here are your audiobooks.
And then I can just carry on listening in the room that I'm in. So Alexa, play First Man In.
Getting your book from Audible. Resuming First Man In.
His belief and his demand for tales of the legendary nine-powered debauchery.
Alexa, stop. So there's lots and lots and lots that you can do with this. For the price, it's fantastic. I'd have been paying more for a picture frame than I would have been for the picture frame combined with Alexa like this. So what I'll do is I'll put a link below just to show the where I bought it from on Amazon. But I'll also put a link on so that you can see some of the skills that you can use and just what exactly you can do with Alexa. I'm really impressed with it, and it's certainly a big recommendation from me.